Most people think of Bali, Indonesia as a tropical vacation paradise. But this month, thousands of Web3 founders, institutional hedge funds, and top blockchain developers are gathering there for CoinFest Asia 2026. Why is the entire crypto industry flying to Bali? Because the biggest decentralized finance narratives, real-world asset breakthroughs, and multi-billion dollar market trends for the second half of 2026 are being revealed right on those shores. If you want to know where smart money is moving for the rest of the market catches on, you need to understand the major Web3 shifts emerging from this flagship event. Welcome back to ICT FinEdge. My mission is to simplify complex financial markets, blockchain technology, and institutional trading concepts into plain and actionable. You do not need to be a blockchain programmer to understand these trends. In this video, we will break down what CoinFest Asia is, the three biggest DeFi and Web3 trends dominating the 2026 conference, and how you can navigate these market cycles safely. Let us start with the basics. What makes CoinFest Asia unique? Unlike rigid corporate conferences in Western financial hubs, CoinFest Asia is known as an immersive festival of Web3 adoption. South Asian countries has become one of the fastest growing regions for everyday cryptocurrencies usage in the world. In countries across Asia, people are not just trading tokens on charts, they are actively using decentralized applications to send cross-border remittances, earn yields on stablecoins, and integrate digital ownership into everyday life. When major global protocols launch their newest feature at CoinFest, they are showcasing real product for real users, making it a critical window into authentic on-chain adoption. Now, let us examine the three major trends dominating discussing at CoinFest Asia 2026. Trend number 1, tokenized real-world assets and institutional DeFi. In 2026, this decentralized finance is no longer just about speculative yield farming. The major narrative is bridging real-world yield such as government treasury bills, private credit, and commercial real estate into public blockchains. Major financial institutions are using decentralized protocols to settle transactions 24/7 with transparent liquidity. Trend number 2, AI agents operating on on-chain rails. Artificial intelligence and blockchain are finally merging in a practical way. At CoinFest 2026, developers are showcasing autonomous AI agents that can hold their own crypto wallet. These AI agents can analyze market data, execute complex automated trades, and rebalance liquidity portfolios without needing human intervention. Trend number 3, frictionless Web3 application. For years, regular users struggled with seed phrases and confusing network fees. The standard across Web3 is now account abstraction and zero cost layer 2 rollup. You can interact with decentralized social networks. You can interact with decentralized social network and gaming platforms without even realizing a blockchain is running in the background. When major events like CoinFest Asia generates excitement, retail traders often make costly mistakes. Here are 3 golden rules to stay safe. Rule number 1, don't buy rumors at the peak. Crypto markets frequently experience a buy the rumor, sell the news cycle around major conferences. Never chase a green candle just cause an announcement was made on stage. Rule number 2, look for real on-chain volume. Marketing buzz does not equal adoption. Check public block, explorer, and data platforms to confirm if a protocol has active users, daily transaction, and genuine total value lock. Rule number 3, follow institutional smart money. Institutions does not FOMO into hyped tokens during a festival. They wait for market corrections, identify key liquidity levels and order blocks, and accumulate quietly during low volatility periods. The innovations presented at CoinFest Asia 2026 prove that the Web3 industry is maturing from speculation into real-world utility and institutional adoption. Now I want to hear from you which trend you most excited about tokenized real-world assets, AI agents, or decentralized finance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this breakdown helped you stay ahead for the crypto curve, hit the like button and subscribe to ICT Finance for data-driven market insights and institutional analysis. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.